तो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस क्वेश्चन वन मोर टाइम। सी यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन क्या दिया हुआ है, x प्लस वाई इज ग्रेटर देन p, एंड व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन गिवन, z इज लेस देन p। z इज लेस देन p का मतलब क्या होता है, p इज ग्रेटर देन z। नाउ आई एम पिकिंग अप दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेटमेंट एज इट इज और यहाँ पे पुट अप कर रहा हूँ। सो p इज ग्रेटर देन z। सो फ्रॉम दिस आई कैन से दैट x plus y is also greater than z। So second expression, this b is correct answer। नाउ लेट अस टेक, नाउ यहाँ पे देखो a प्लस बी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से मेंशन कर दिया है। a प्लस बी आर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स। सो a minus b divided by 3.5। So can I treat this 3.5 as 7 by 2? This is equal to 4 by 7। Now 7 by 2 इधर आते वक्त क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई करेगा इसको 4 by 7 multiplied by 7 by 2। So this will get cancelled, 4 upon 2। This is equal to 2। So a minus b का वैल्यू 2 है। Both are positive integers। Both are positive integers। Now since we are getting this value as positive, so can I say a is greater than b here? How many of you agree? Can I say A is greater than B? A is greater than B का मतलब क्या होता है? B is less than A, because I am getting positive value here। A minus B का value 2 मिल रहा है, and A and B both are positive, so A must be greater number and B must be smaller number, so B is less than A। This is your answer। Now let us go to this question number 53। 53 solve करता है। 13 is equal to 13W, this question I am taking here, divided by 1 minus w। So can I cancel out this 13 13 from both sides? Yes, it is। Now 1 minus w इधर multiply करेगा, 1 minus w is equal to w। Now this will go here, so 1 is equal to 2 times w। That's it। What you supposed to find? 2 times w square, that is 1 square, and 1 square is 1। That is your answer, option C। I hope you people are getting this। कितने प्यारे क्वेश्चंस है। These questions are very good। Now दिस इज द क्वेश्चन जहां पे आपको एक इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, एंड फ्रॉम दैट इंफॉर्मेशन यू हैव टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 54, 55, 56 एंड 57। आई एम गिविंग यू 3 to 4 minutes टू कंप्लीट दिस। कम ऑन, टेक योर टाइम। Just read these four conditions very carefully. Without repetition, that five digit number is formed without repetition of the digits. Okay, let us do. See, the first digit is more than five times of the last digit. The first digit is more than five times of the last digit. तो क्या लग सकते हो? Last digit must be one. One ही होना चाहिए. Because if you take the two, then two का five times 10 हो जाएगा, and we require digit here. We require digit here. So first digit will be one. Then the first digit will be more than five times the last digit. So one ka five times five, and that more, that means six. So now we want to find middle three digits. The two digit form from the last two digits of a number is a product of two prime numbers. The first three digits are odd numbers. Acha, the first digit is more than five times the last number, last digit. And first three digits are odd number, all are odd. The number does not contains 3 or 0, and the first digit is also a largest. Mm-hmm. The first digit is more than five times the last digit. The last digit of a number, 0 तो नहीं हो सकता, 3 तो नहीं हो सकता, 1 must be the last digit. So 5 times more. So 5 times take 5 only. This must be 5. Okay. So we have to use this nine digits: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine and zero. 10 digits हमें यूज करना था जिसमें जीरो और थ्री का परमिशन आपको नहीं है. You already use one and five. So now these are left. Okay, इसमें से odd कौन से बचे हैं? These are the odd number left. And the number, the the first digit is also a largest. Oh my God. First three digits all are odd. Without repetition पूछा है. So if you take in this 7 and 9, and the product of this must be 2, because the product of last two digits is what? Prime number. So this is 2 if you are taking. So this is the number we are forming. The second digit of the number cannot be determined. ये 7 भी हो सकता है, 9 भी हो सकता है. Last digit is 1. The largest digit in the number is what? 9. And which of the following is a factor of the number? So अगर ये करते हो, so what is the total of this? So 2949. So this is not possible. What is the total of this? 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 plus 10. 22 plus 2, that is 24. 24, that means this number is divisible by 3. But अभी ये अगर हम लेते हैं, so the two digit form from the last two digits. Okay, last two digits से the number बन रहा है, that is 21. 21 is a product of 7 and 3. This is also correct. The first three digits all are odd. So 5, 7, 9 we have taken. The number does not contains 3 and 0. Okay, fine. The first digit is also largest. Now ये थोड़ा सा contradictory statement है. And the first digit is also largest. The 5 is not the largest among these all digits given. The first digit is more than 5 times. Acha, more than 5 times of the. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Listen, more than 5 times. More than 5 times of the last digit. अच्छा, तो ये 1 अगर लेते हो, तो ये 2 डेफिनेटली होगा. So you can take this is as 9, this is 7, 5. Yeah, 9, 5, 7, 2, 1. Yes. These are the two possible situations. The second digit कौन सा भी हो सकता है, 5 7 में से कौन सा भी हो सकता है, so cannot be determined your answer. The last digit is definitely 1, क्योंकि लास्ट के जो दो डिजिट्स है ना, उससे जो नंबर बन रहा है, दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू प्राइम नंबर, दैट इज 7 into 3. 7 into 3. एंड दिस इज द फैक्टर, मीन्स कौन से भी सिचुएशन में इसका टोटल 24 ही आएगा. और अगर 24 आ रहा है, सो दैट नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. So in this way, we completed the second part of this numbers. This number questions on numbers बहुत ज्यादा है. So at least 5 6 sessions will be on only numbers. I hope you people understood today's session. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Happy learning and good night.